Oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. It's laughing. You can see the face is laughing. Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I can do this also, but you need to cover your nose. I know, but this is so crazy. This is so damn crazy. Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and are doing well. So you all must have seen my last 10-minute makeup challenge, and I actually got very inspired from that video and I decided that I wanted to do more makeup challenges. So today's video is about another very funny and interesting makeup challenge that I'll be doing. So the challenge I'm doing is tiny face makeup challenge, in which you have to transform your face into a tiny little face, where you draw a fake nose on top of your nose and draw tiny little lips around your nostrils. Then you cover this part of the face and you have a tiny face. I'm not really good at this graphic designing makeup. I don't know what to call it, but I'm not good. It's that I have never tried it. This is the first time ever that I'm gonna do it. I have not even given it a try before recording this video. I'm gonna do it for the first time ever right here, right now. So if it is not perfect, if it is not very good, then please don't judge me, because this is literally the first time ever I'm gonna do it. And one more thing before starting the video, if any of you want to buy amazing Colorbar products online, then I have given my personal code in the description box below. Do refer to it to get a good discount on your shopping. And finally, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is apply foundation all over my face. So our next step is to contour, and from the videos that I have seen that you really have to do a very intense contour, not like your daily one. It really has to be a little intense. So I'm gonna use the contour sticks by KKW Beauty and do it. You really need to brighten under your eyes. I have applied so much because you really need to shorten your forehead. I really look like a ghost right now. So white. Okay, we need to brighten the nose and forehead area also. And normally if we would contour, we would do it from hair to hair. But if our nose is going to be here, then we really need to exaggerate that cheekbone. So the contour is gonna come from here somewhere. Okay, let's see. So now moving on to the very difficult part is drawing the nose, and for that I'm gonna use this MAC's Light Festival palette. I'm gonna use the shade Embark, and I'm gonna take a very teeny small brush to do the outlining. Now I'm gonna draw that nose shape right about here. I've taken even a tinier brush because my hand is literally shivering right now. No, this is not right. No, I'm gonna clean this up. This is not right. Okay, this is much better, much better. And now we will draw the cupid's bow, which will go right through the center of our fake nose. I know it is not perfect, but let's just go with it. This is already my third or fourth try and I'm tired of doing it, so I'm gonna move to the next step now. Now we have to contour and highlight this nose like it was our real nose. Next is we have to draw the lips, and for that I'm using the same palette and the same brushes. No, this is wrong. This is not correct. I needed to darken everything a little bit. I did that, and now we are finally gonna apply the lipstick. And for the lipstick I'm going in with Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Icon. Now we have to contour, highlight and blush all according to our new face. So I'm doing that now. For blush I'm using PAC in the shade 03. For highlighting I'm using Kyliecosmetics in the shade French Vanilla. And quickly I'm gonna do my eyes off camera. I did my eyes and everything, and I wore a turtleneck, and now is the moment of truth. Do you see it? Do you guys see it? Oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. It's laughing. You can see the face is laughing. Okay, so I see the face. I don't know if you all can see it, but it is definitely there. It might take some time for you to get it, because after all it's an optical illusion, so you really have to look into it to actually see it. But it is definitely there, and it is so creepy and it is so funny that once you see it you cannot unsee it. I can literally see it right now. Okay, so this was today's video. This is the tiny face challenge, and I am glad that I was able to do this challenge. I actually thought that this would be a fail, but I'm happy that I'm able to do the special effects makeup to some extent, so that is really nice. And if you all had a good time watching this video, if you found this video fun and interesting, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this is pretty much all for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and take care.